Auto Wheels is here, and today, we're diving into the future of open-top performance. The 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS Aero Kit Concept. This isn't just a convertible. It's an 800 horsepower masterpiece, blending Italian elegance with track-ready aggression. Let's drop the top and hit the road. The 812 GTS Aero Kit's exterior is pure Ferrari drama. A carbon fiber body with active aero flaps and a retractable rear wing channels air like a Formula One car. The laser-cut LED headlights pierce the night, while the tunneled rear diffuser glows like a spaceship's thrusters. Aerodynamics: a 0.28 drag coefficient, sleeker than a McLaren 720S Spider, thanks to Ferrari's wind tunnel wizardry. This isn't just design. It's art in motion. Inside, the cockpit is a driver's paradise. A 16-inch curved OLED dash wraps around the wheel, displaying everything from G-forces to battery status. Carbon fiber bucket seats with 3D printed Alcantara inserts hug you like a race suit, while the augmented reality HUD projects lap times onto the windshield. Sustainable luxury. The cabin uses vegan leather and recycled carbon fiber, because even hypercars can go green. Under the hood lies Ferrari's masterpiece, a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 tuned to 800 horsepower and 530 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 2.8 seconds. Quicker than a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster, with a spine-tingling redline of 9,500 RPM. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission fires shifts in 80 milliseconds, while four-wheel steering and adaptive suspension turn corners into straightaways. Toggle race mode, and the exhaust bellows like a Le Mans prototype. Priced at $600,000. SAO THE 812G. TSAERO KITUND ERCUTSTHE 600,000. The 812G TSAERO KITUND ERCUTSTHE 700K. McLaren Elva will offer more exclusivity. Ferrari's targeting collectors and track day regulars, with production capped at 500 units per autocar. Lease it? Not a chance. This is a garage queen for the 1%. So